This is the third and final part of 23.1 in your Springboard book. This is where we're going to use a log identity to help simplify or evaluate the value of what you see on the screen here. So I have three examples in which you start with the word log. Now the problem is the identity requires you to have the base. So I'm going to change this log, which is understood base 10, and this ln, which is understood to be base e, into what they're supposed to be. So they really look like this. And the log identity that we saw was simply this. Hey, if the log base and the base of an exponent are the exact same base, then they cancel each other out. In other words, just cross them off. So the log base 5 and the base 5 of its exponent, of the term that has the exponent, will cancel off. Log base 10 and the base 10 of this exponent will cancel off. Log base e and the e, the base of the exponent, cancels off. So the answers are simply the 6, the 7, and the 9. That's the answers. Now let's go the other way around. Those started with the word log. These start with a base number that has a power that's a log. Well, it's the same rule. Okay? But first, I have a problem with these last two. It just says log. He doesn't have a base. Ln, he doesn't have a base, but they are understood to be for log base 10 and for ln base e. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and rewrite them as base 10 and base e. And just like before, if you have the word log with the same base as the base of your exponential term, you can cross them off. So the base 5 and the log base 5 cancels out. The base 10, the log base 10 cancels out. The e and the log base e cancels out, leaving me with the answers of 6, 7, and 9. And that is the log identities when you have the same base on the log as you have the base of the exponent.